In this video, I'll explain about a user-defined function that will set priority to different arithmetic symbols or arithmetic operators. Okay, so where we are going to use this user-defined function, it will be used when we are trying to convert an infix expression to a postfix expression. Okay, so let us write the user-defined function that will set the priority to different arithmetic operators. So I am assuming there are 5 different operators, that is plus, minus, multiplication, divide and to the power. I am also going to set the priority for bracket as well. So let us begin the code. So first of all, let us include the header file. Okay, then I'll like to write the priority function, so that will return integer. That means my plan is, if let's say we all know that plus minus have a similar priority, and divide and multiplication have similar priority, but plus minus is lower priority than divide and divide and multiplication. So whenever we are going to pass a operator to this function, the function will return which one having highest priority. Okay, so I'm giving the function name as priority, and I have to pass the character to it. So character, let's say operator, OP stands for operator, let's say. Okay, so if the character, the OP is equal to if it is a left bracket, let's say, so I'm going to set the left bracket as the lowest priority. If OP is equal to left bracket, then we must return 0. Okay, similarly I will write if OP is equal to let's say plus. Okay, either it can be plus or it can be minus, both have the similar priority, so I can use the OR operator here. So OP is equal to minus. So in this case, what we're going to do is I'll return 1. Similarly for other OP, let me copy this code. Okay, so this is for multiplication and division, that will return 2. Okay, then the another one, the last one, that is called to the power. So to the power, I'm going to use this symbol. Okay, so that will return 3. So that's all. This is the priority function. This is the user defined function. So whenever we call this function by passing operator, that will show you, or that will return a value which specify its priority. So let us use this function. It means use this small function with a small code. So let us write void main here. Let's say I'll ask the user, let's say character operator. Okay, I'll ask the user to enter an operator, arithmetic operator, obviously. So arithmetic operator, right? Then we have to read it using the scanf %c, comma ampersand op. Okay, so I have taken the operator from the user. Now let me print the value of what priority it is returning. Okay, so I can just write a printf statement to call the function. The priority is equal to %d, because it returns an integer, the function. So I'll call the priority function here, priority of let's say OP. So I'm passing the OP here. So my means the program is very simple. I'll call the priority by passing the OP here. So OP must be entered by the user. So this OP will be transferred to this OP, and OP will check its what operator that user has given. So if he has given a left bracket, then it must return 0, which will be printed by the help of this, the priority is. Similarly, if OP has been entered as plus or minus, it must return 1, and it will print the priority is 1, and so on. Okay, so let me run this code and check. So he's asking about enter an operator. Let's say I'm entering a plus, then it's showing the priority is 1. Similarly, let me run for another time. So if I'll enter let's say multiplication, then it's showing the priority is 2. So this is how you are going to set the priority for different operators. And in the next video, when we convert infix to postfix expression, I'll use this function over there, because by knowing the priority of the operator, then only we can decide whether the operator can be stay inside the stack or not. So with this, let us finish the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.